Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant custom game tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to Valorant custom game tutorial. So first thing, choose a map, then a server. Then click a mod that you wanted. Like now I'm gonna click swift play. Then options to allow your cheats or anything you want in the options. And when you're here, go choose an agent. Once you've chosen the agent, you'll be in the map that you have chosen. Then here are the cheats in the custom game. So as you can see, there's infinite abilities, infinite ammos, infinite magazine, infinite creds, and ignore restriction. Once you on that, you'll be able to buy anytime you want and anything you want in game. So end game phase is when you click on once you click on that, the round will finish. So you can click that to start the faster process of the buy pace. Invulnerability, when you have it on, you'll be like Superman, the Man of Steel. No, I'm just joking. You'll be invulnerable to anything and you will not die. Auto respawn, when that is on, when you get killed, you'll be automatic respawn. There we go. And you will have an option to ghost mode. And when you're on the ghost mode, you'll be able to fly and go through stuff like a ghost. And when you scroll up, you will see the pause timer. So once you pause the timer, it will pause the time. And once it's paused, you can kill your friend as many times as you want. Or maybe use Cage's ult as many times as you want. There we go. Now when you scroll down, you will see a swap team. Once you click the swap team, on the next round, you will swap your team. So now, I'm teammate with my friend. Now, once you go down, you will see agent for next round. Any agent that you want. For example, I'll click ISO. Once the round is over, I'm now ISO. So that's about it. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.